For more than a century, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, the IEEE, has advanced the science and application of electrotechnology. During this time, technology has expanded and become increasingly complex. Likewise, the professional needs of electrotechnologists have grown. To address these needs, in 1973, the IEEE, the world's largest technical professional organization, established a Washington division. IEEE United States activities now supports the professional careers and technology policy interests of some 230,000 U.S. IEEE members. For electrical, electronics, and computer engineers, creating rewarding and productive careers is a complex challenge. To succeed, we must complete a rigorous education, keep current with technical advances in our fields, grapple with professional issues that affect career advancement, and apply technology in ways that benefit society. To help electrotechnologists satisfy these multiple needs, IEEE-USA conducts targeted programs in 3 distinct areas, providing a sturdy tripod of support for today's professionals. First, we help shape U.S. government policy to promote the development and utilization of electrotechnology in ways that will benefit the profession and society. Second, we try to bolster the careers of U.S. IEEE members. And third, we endorse and promote public policies that nurture the professional environments of U.S. engineers and scientists. The first leg of the professional activities tripod links technological expertise with public policy. Through IEEE-USA, electrical, electronics, and computer engineers help develop beneficial technology policy and communicate it to decision makers in Washington and nationwide. By marshaling the expertise and insight of U.S. electrotechnologists, we try to serve the interests of both the profession and the nation, promoting policy that boosts U.S. competitiveness and improves the American standard of living. To unveil our advocacy program at the beginning of each new Congress, we produce a public policy agenda. Our organization also publishes the IEEE-USA Legislative Report, a bi-monthly newsletter, and we maintain World Wide Web and auto-response files highlighting our government relations efforts. To support our advocacy program, we've drafted more than 100 positions, informing and advising members, media, and decision makers on such subjects as U.S. competitiveness, high-performance computing and communications, air traffic control safety, and data security. Building on these positions, IEEE-USA provides frequent testimony to our national legislative and executive branches by endorsing the following: a strong research and development program, effective commercialization of technology, alternate energy sources, unimpeded development and use of the information superhighway, sound medical technology policy, and technological literacy. Moreover, our award-winning government fellowships program links engineers with policymakers. In one-year assignments, selected institute members serve with leading national legislative or executive branch officials. IEEE-USA Government Fellows provide a much-needed private sector perspective on complex policy issues that involve technology. Let's look at the second leg of our tripod. IEEE-USA encourages personal professional advancement. Thus, we promote employment of engineers in several ways: by publishing employment assistance guides for students and professionals, by conducting biennial salary and fringe benefit surveys, by spearheading local job fairs, career workshops, skills banks, and consultants networks, and by overseeing computerized national resume referral and job listing services. To help us maintain and develop our careers, IEEE-USA offers a biennial conference for both human resource managers and practicing engineers. This one-of-a-kind forum reveals successful strategies for developing career resilience in a changing world. To help electrotechnology students better understand our professional world, over the last 25 years, we have organized some 400 Student Professional Awareness Conferences, or SPACs. SPACs introduce prospective engineers to issues that they will encounter in their future careers. IEEE-USA also operates a similar program called IMPACTS for our members who are practicing engineers. And we co-sponsor the Washington Internships for Student Engineers project, which funds undergraduate research on career-related issues. With our pre-college education programs, IEEE-USA seeks to prepare future generations for an increasingly complex technological world. For example, in 1993, we conceived and coordinated the first Future City competition, which is held annually during National Engineers Week and helps middle school students deal with real-world engineering problems. Through the third leg of our tripod, IEEE-USA promotes government and private sector policies that create a favorable professional climate. To be fruitful, engineers require a supportive professional environment that fosters fairness, innovation, productivity, and professional development. To nurture such a work environment, we support initiatives that combat all forms of discrimination in employment. We seek to correct imbalances in engineering workforce demand. We back tax incentives for continuing education. We protect inventors' rights. We endorse incentives for innovation. And we act to promote fair and equitable employment practices. Summing up, we require a voice in formulating the nation's technology policy to build a strong and competitive U.S. economy. We need strategies for establishing solid careers in a chaotic world. And we require supportive professional environments to ensure productive and rewarding vocations. As technology advances, as our profession grows, as the world changes, as the 21st century beckons, IEEE-USA is truly engineering a new millennium. One that provides us, the nation's electrotechnology professionals, with an ever stronger foundation for enjoying lifelong success and achievement while making vital contributions to our nation and world.